Okay, guys, we are live. We are live. All eyes on the judiciary. Hold on. It's a beautiful morning. It's a beautiful morning. It's a beautiful morning. Where are you watching me from? Good morning, everyone. Or rather, sorry, good afternoon. So, all eyes on the judiciary. All eyes on the judiciary. People, a lot is happening here on the ground zero. So many people don't want to talk. There is this palpable fear. A lot of people are fearful and keep questioning why some of us that are still speaking keep speaking. But we tell them that men don't die twice, they die only once. We must keep speaking. We must keep speaking. There is an adage in Igbo that says, Onyo ne nebe obube obube. Now the woman where they labor, they shout. The one where no they labor, not they shout. As it is, it's not easy. But be rest assured that Nigerians are not giving up. Be rest assured that Nigerians are sort of keeping quiet, reserving their energy to shock Nigeria the moment injustice is done to them. And again, it appears that the signs are there all over Africa. You see what is happening within our neighboring countries. Everyone is beginning to pay attention to the things, the youths, the younger ones, the young generation, the Gen Zs, to the things they've been saying all over the years. All eyes must be on the judiciary, and all eyes are on the judiciary. What I can tell us is that even those in authority are also in fear. Recall that before now, Ala-Igbo was the one being used to threaten Nigerians. But I can assure you, Ala-Igbo is, or rather has met his match. Nigerians know they smile. Not be say people dey street like this, not for anyhow. And I can tell us that Ala-Igbo has run away. He's no longer in Abuja. He has gone back to Rivers because he knows that the anger of the people had gone to gym. He's not doing aerobic in the gym. The anger of the people gone to where they have big weight, and started carrying weight. That is the anger of the people. The anger of people. And he knew it. He read the handwriting on the wall. Very smart of him. The moment he read that, the guy zoom off with him boys. If not, in body, as we do now, for don't tell us, you know, be like it be before. You know, be like it be before. And one thing I can also tell us, having my ears to the ground, is that those in the judiciary as well are human. They feel, they pulse, they know, they live in the society, and the feelers are that they are humans. They are going to do justice. They're going to look at the law exactly stating what the law says. I must tell Nigerians who are worried to calm down. Nothing spoiled. the appeal court, in my view, is going to do the right thing. Whatever the right thing is anchored on the law, not on technicalities. Afterwards, it has to go to the Supreme Court. It is then left for Nigerians, once more. I must say, many of you who have done really noble, spending your time, energy, resources in doing the noble thing to say that the right thing must be done. I dove my heart for this generation. They've taken it into a different dimension. You know, this is no longer in the 90s. You know, in the 60s, 70s, even in the 80s, when you capture, what's it called? When you capture NTA or radio station, then it means you've taken over government. Nah, not now. This generation, they are different. You know, this generation, they are different. If you think they are only doing one Twitter space, they are doing 10 simultaneously at once. Starting from violent space or whatever that is, all manner of things that they do. Keep educating people, many people on live. So it's no longer the way it's, you know, it's not the way it used to be. I hope you can hear me. I don't know what's wrong with it. You can hear me, right? If you're listening to me and you can hear me, please just give me a like. Let me know. Guys, like the video, share it. We must keep keeping us updated. Whatever it is, you know, whatever it is, we must keep us updated, because this is what it is. It is what it is. And many of you, while we are keeping our eyes on the judiciary, there is something that happened 2 days ago while I was in court. I was personally in court at the appeal court in Abuja. Thank you very much. Okay, you guys can hear me. All eyes on Jeff. Thank you. Okay, Chuku, thank you very much. All of you, thanks. Share, make una join me. So while I was in court with the Labour Party gubernatorial candidate, Papa Binonye Dot, violence master. Who they call me? Hold on, guys. Yeah, hello, Fash. Yes, now maybe because of your network. Just make sure you are aware you have a full network. Then you try again. Okay, I don't know. I have done this morning and there was no issue. But I'm on a live program. Yes, this morning. And Google his name now. There is an old one there. Use an old one. I said use the... Listen, are you not listening? Use the old one you have uploaded before. We have published something on him many times before. Now use that. Okay. I don't know. Just do that. I'm on a live program. I'll speak to you later. I'll call you back. So, guys, sorry for that interruption. One of the staff members, you know, multiple things at a time. We must survive. We must survive. So multiple things at a time. So what I'm saying was, while we were in court and we published something that he won at the appeal court, I think some people don't read or they cannot listen. And it's very sad when I read people say, it is fake. You guys are publishing fake news. He didn't win the governorship. Hey, now wow, written statement. Was anywhere in that interview that I had with him, even the one I had with his lawyer, did any of them say that they have won the governorship in Delta State? That they won at the appeal court in Abuja to go back to trial? English, man. Must we be so quick to write? I don't know. Sometimes, sometimes when some of you make a comment, and if no one responds to them, it may seem as if people don't take this thing, don't take it serious. But some of the comments are really off mark. Sorry, off from what is happening. But that is by the way. So the bottom line is for Delta State, they are going back to court because the tribunal discarded the case on technicalities, that they abandoned their case, which was a lie, and they appealed it. But the tribunal also rejected it. And the guy said, no, this is unfair now. It's unfair. It appears PDP has induced you guys. He said, no, I have to go to the appeal court. And they had gone to appeal court in Abuja. And the appeal court in Abuja had now said, no, they have to hear you. You have to go back to court and they must hear you. And that is what it is. So there is no misinformation there. Please, let no one spread fake news. Labour Party hasn't won Delta State, and as such, because they haven't won Delta State, there is no governor in Delta State as of of the Labour Party. What we have is the PDP in Labour. I think one of the guys, Peter Piper, whom I actually spoke to, the guy on White, one of the videos that were published this morning, he was one that actually said it, that they've been in this, PDP had governed that state since 1999, which is 24 years plus now. So, and Labour is trying to dislodge him of that. So let's get facts straight. The thing with facts is that sometimes, some of you guys that might be emotional, you may not like the facts, but it doesn't change the fact that it is a fact. It doesn't change the fact that it is a fact. Right, so that's where we are. Now, let me show us something. You see, this is, people, look, let me show us this. This is military. Every time being at the checkpoint. Let me see, why is it not the change? Particular why people they like beats me, why people keep running. Anyway, so people, the much I can tell us is that Nigerians are not relenting. They are really holding the judiciary to account, and there is a conference by them. Okay, why are you horning like a madman? Why don't they like the horn? Is horn now bread? On Wednesday there is going to be a conference on police brutality and as regards to the things that happen to people when they protest, and police are invited. After that, the COPDEM is a coalition of Defense for Democracy. After which they will go to embassies and submit their written statements. And on Saturday, the Free Nigerian movement will have the Nigerian dialogue, where people will come. Those who want basketballs will come. Those who want peace will come. Everybody. So join us. We will try as much as possible these two events. Good morning. I get change.
It has gone down before I'll give it to you.
Oh.
Sani!
Sorry?
You need to come down before I'll give it to you.
I need to come down.
No. The machine needs to come down. The machine, it has not shown when they can give ticket, that's why it's free.
So can I go or can I?
You are free, so you can go. Sani, can I engineer in the dollar?
You see them? They don't chop that one. No. Now what's in the bill? They don't chop that one. You pay money. Anyway, people, I'm getting into the airport now. I'll speak to us later to give us updates on the stuffs happening here at the Ground Zero. If you haven't subscribed to this platform, by all means, subscribe, share, like the video, and I'll speak to you later. Thanks very much for joining me. I am still Mazi. It's okay. Bye for now. Okay, hold on. What happened? Okay. Thank you.